Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to cover topic number 1.2.2 multiplication of two negative integers. Let's have a small recap of multiplication of integers. We have integers starting from 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 plus or minus 4 and so on. We have rule, that is plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus. Let's take one simple example of each type, that is 3 into 4, 3 into minus 4, minus 3 into 4, minus 3 into minus 4. We have both the signs positive, so answer will be plus 12. Here we have one sign positive, one sign negative, so answer will be minus 12. We have one sign positive, one sign negative, that is plus into minus. We have answer as minus 12 and we have both the signs negative, so we have answer as plus 12. Now let's look at topic number 1.2.2 multiplication of two negative integers. I have taken one example, 3 into 4, that is minus 12, that is one sign is negative, another is positive, so plus into minus is minus and 3 into 4 is 12. Similarly for all other examples. We have 3 minus 3 into minus 3, minus 3 into minus 3, both the signs are negative, so minus into minus is plus, 3 into 3 is 9, so we have answer as plus 9. Let's solve, try this. Question number 1 says that starting from minus 5 into 4, find minus 5 into minus 6. Let's solve this question. Minus 5 into 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. We have one sign negative, another is positive, so we have plus into minus is minus. We have minus 20, minus 15, minus 10, minus 5, 0. We have both the signs negative, so minus into minus is plus. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. And similarly, question number 2, starting from minus 6 into 3 to minus 6 into minus 7. We can do the product. Minus 6 into 3, minus 6 into 2, minus 6 into 0, minus 6 into minus 1 up to minus 6 into minus 7. We have minus into plus is minus. We have minus 18, minus 12. We have 6 into 0 is 0. We have minus into minus is plus, so we have answer is 6. Similarly, 6 7s are 42, and minus into minus is plus. We have plus 42 as answer. We have in general, for any two positive integers a and b, that is a is starting from 0 1 2 up to infinity, and select b from 0 1 2 up to infinity, we have minus a into minus b equals to a into b. That is minus a into minus b. We have both the signs negative, so minus into minus is plus, and a into b, so we have plus a into b as answer. Let's solve this one. We have 3100 as answer. Minus into minus is plus. 31 into 100 is 3100. We have minus into minus is plus, and 25 into 72 is 1800. We have minus into minus is plus, and 28 into 83 is 2324. In next lecture, we will cover topic number 1.3, properties of multiplication of integers. Thank you.